So I hope you enjoyed the course. There was quite a lot in the course. I also have to admit that I did have difficulty trying to find resources in order to get the course together. There seems to be not very many books on floating point numbers and floating point arithmetic. You can find plenty of stuff if you head off towards scientific journals, but even in those we have difficulty trying to understand exactly what's happening because there's an awful lot of the descriptions tend to be black box descriptions, and they're working under the assumption that you already know most of the stuff that they're talking about. But if you're a complete beginner, then it can be difficult to try and work out exactly what's going on. Well, that was the reason why I put this course together, and that's the reason why I worked at creating an Excel VBA interface first of all, in order to try and see exactly what's happening with all those zeros and ones. So this is the second part of our course on designing a floating point unit. Now, it was quite a long course, that's I don't know, 5 or 6 hours, but the next course we're going to do will be the adder and the subtractor. And because we've already dealt with an awful lot of the stuff and we've seen how we can move the values about, so we can work out the exponent values and how we can shift the matrices from left to right, whenever we go and do the addition section, and also when we go on to do the division, and we will do at some point a fuse, multiply, add, and I may go on and do some complex numbers as well in a complex floating point section of the unit. But that's in the future, but it will be easier to do those now that you've covered the stuff that's in this course. So thank you for taking the course, and if you are interested, then the next course will be available very soon. So thank you again, and good luck and goodbye.